Very good morning, students. Welcome to Gnan Manjari Vidyapeeth online digital platform. As you know, I am your science teacher Vatsal Trivedi. Or today we are discussed about the chemistry unit number 1, day 3. Before we start today's topic, let's solve some practice question regarding the previous topic. First question 2.2 on your SB5. डिफाइन द फॉलोइंग टर्म्स। यहाँ पे आपको तीन अलग अलग टर्म्स दी है। यू हैव टू डिफाइन दिस ऑल टर्म्स। फर्स्ट, शेयरिंग, डेइंग और सॉरिंग। फर्स्ट, शेयरिंग इज द रिमूवल ऑफ द फ्लीसेस or the hair of the sheep with the thin layer of skin. Next, dyeing is the coloring of yarn. Next one, scoring is the removal of the dirt, grasses and the dust of the fleece of sheep. Next question 2.3. Do you think animals get hurt when we share their cords of hair? Sharing animals, like giving them the haircut, we only remove the hair so they do not get hurt in the process. Next question. When do you think is the best time in the year for the farmers to share animal and why? The best time for the farmer to share their animals is the summer season because the animals will not need to coat of hair to keep them warm. Next question. Identify two scenarios other than the ones already listed where selective breeding could be useful. So, two scenarios where selective breeding could be useful are: first is a breeding of Angora rabbits and they give more wool. Second, breeding the mango trees that give the juicy mangoes and the greater numbers of them. Next is occupational hazards. So first discuss that why do your parents ask you not to play around the stove in a kitchen? So you can say that you are asked not to play around the stove as they can be not and they can causes of burn in your body. So it is a risk or a hazard to your health and well-being. तो उसकी वजह से हमको स्टोव के पास खेलने की परमिशन नहीं मिलती है हमारी पेरेंट्स की साइड से. Workers employed certain industries also face a certain risk or hazards. This risk can cause the disease or the injury. Such as a health risks are called occupational hazards. They are caused by the type of work person does or the place which they are work. Here you can see the image. The welder faces the occupational hazard of the loss of the sight. So this risk could include the safety hazards like the slips and the falls, chemical hazard like the export to the paints, gases and the solvent at the workplace, and the biological hazards क्या हो सकते हैं? Like the exposure to the bacteria, virus or a fungi. Now, occupational safety hazards in the wool making industry. Workers in the wool making industry work with the heavy machines to the process of wool. Some machinery may be cause injuries, hence they pose hazard. Now next is a chemical hazards. Worker in the wool making industry work with the many chemicals to the process wool. Various chemicals are required for the uh, sorry वेरियस केमिकल्स आर रिक्वायर्ड वूल बनाने के लिए फैक्ट्री हो जो होती है इंडस्ट्री होती है वहाँ के अंदर उसको कलर करना होता है उसके अंदर डाई का यूज़ होता है तो यहाँ पे केमिकल्स का यूज़ भी होगा ओके उसको ब्लीचिंग करने में डाइंग करने में उसका यूज़ होगा ऑफ द वूल फाइबर्स एक्सपोर्ट टू द केमिकल्स फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम कैन कॉज आई एंड स्किन इरिटेशन उसकी वजह से आई और स्किन के इरिटेशन डिजीज हो सकते हैं. Then the biological hazards, spores of the bacterium anthrax are the presence in the wool contaminated sheep. If inhaled by the worker, these spores can be caused in a life threatening disease called the Schrotters disease or a anthrax. तो ये बीमारी भी इसकी वजह से हो सकती है. Anthrax generally infect the digestive system and the skin on the person body. वो ज़्यादातर हमारी स्किन डिसीज और डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम पे असर करता है. And the initial symptoms include the fever, muscle pain and the boils or on the skin. उसके सिम्टम्स क्या होते हैं? मसल्स पेन होता है, फीवर होता है और दी जो हमारी स्किन के ऊपर हमको बॉयल्स और बॉयल्स यानी कि छोटे छोटे તો ઇન લોકલ લેંગ્વેજ ચાંદી પડવા માંડે ફોડકીઓ થવા માંડે આ વસ્તુ થવાની શરૂ થઈ જાય. Now let's solve the next practice question number 3.2, 3.3 and 3.4. Question is that which disease is caused by the inhaling the spores of anthrax presence in the wool of the contaminated sheep. So the shortest disease caused by the inhaling the spores and the anthrax or presence in the wool contaminated sheep. Next is practice question number 3.3. List two measures that workers can be protect themselves from the occupational hazards in the wool industry. So we can write the workers can protect themselves from the occupational hazards in the wool industry in the following ways. First one is they can wear a gloves and the mask when they're working with the sheep. They can wear a spical protective gear when working with the chemicals. Then C. The owners of the factories can be regular. Check their machinery for the faults and conduct the maintenance work, avoid the accident. The next question 3.3. Do you think that any occupational hazards in the wool industry listed above the cloud also be hazard in another industries? Give a reason. So, safety hazards like those, the wool industry can be concrete in many manufacturing plants, like the car manufacturing plant. Next is a biological hazards. Those in a wool industry can be concerned in the milk production industry, as cow can also get infected by the anthrax. And the last one is chemical hazards. Those of a wool industry can be any fiber production factory, as the workers may have the work within a lots of chemical. So यहाँ तक जो आपने अभी आज हमने क्वेश्चन किए, these all question are compulsory to write in your fair book with the proper handwriting. If any types of doubt you have to ask anytime, I will definitely solve your doubt. But after the writing in your fair book with the proper handwriting, you have to click the photographs of the particular questions which we are solving in this video, and click the photo and submit within a 3 p.m. It is compulsory to each and every student. Okay, now here आज हमने जो कुछ भी देखा है वो सारी चीज़ हमको आप सबको होमवर्क में लानी है। इसके साथ जो कुछ भी डाउट्स है वो आप मुझे पूछ सकते हो। आई विल डेफिनेटली सॉल्व योर डाउट। सो नाउ वी आर स्टॉप हियर। अभी के लिए स्टे हैप्पी, स्टे होम, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, फन विद साइंस, एंजॉय द साइंस, बाय बाय।